Hey you guys, this is a review. I finally put some earrings on for this video. I know I didn't do it last time, but this is the Kamiyah's wig review. So I got this in a 1B. It has soft HB transparent lace, 5D parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached elastic band for secure fit, natural baby hairs, redesigned comfort ear to ear. Style is layered and wavy. Texture is yaki. Lace type is frontal effect lace front. The length is long. It is long. I gotta hurry up before my I gotta hurry up before my camera dies. Okay, so it is long. It has high heat resistance fiber, safe up to 400 Fahrenheit. It comes in specialty colors: ginger brown, golden honey, hazelnut honey. Seamless hairline for realistic illusion. And what else do I gotta say about this wig? It fits really well. I think it's big head friendly. I don't really have a big head, but I think it's big head friendly because it has adjustable straps, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps and elastic band. Very cute. I don't think this is a wig for beginners really. I think my other wig, Zephany, is better for beginners more because it has like a Swiss lace kind of thing going on, and it's easier to maintain and it's easier to fix up and cut that lace off and kind of make it the way you want to make it. What else am I about to say about this hair? It doesn't really shed. The only time I had shedding was when I cut the lace and if you pluck some more. That's the only time you can really get hair. You need a paddle brush on deck, y'all, to paddle brush this hair. Okay, it is super cute. I ordered some Fenty Beauty foundation, powder foundation in 450, so that should be coming next week, and I would definitely apply that to this wig. I absolutely love this wig. For beginners, it took me a long time, even for my maintenance vlog, my transformation. That right there took a lot in me. And I'm grateful for the experience of this first beginner friendly, but it's, girl, I don't think this is beginner friendly. I think it's good. I think Zephany is much better beginner friendly than this wig is. You have to be very familiar with the Melted Hairline series and familiar with wigs enough for you to get this wig, but I think you should get it. If you want to challenge yourself as a beginner, I think you should get it. It's super cute. I don't want my outfit to be messed up. It's kind of scandalous. But it's super cute. I layered it right here. I tried to really blend it into my skin. So I think I did a pretty good job. I will insert some pictures probably at the end or during this video. See, right now it's not really shedding, it's just tangling a little bit. And the length is very long. It's like maybe 22 inches maybe. I did use She Is Bomb collection. This is the edge control. I wanted to try it. I think I like it, but I have to keep trying it either on my natural hair or more on wigs to see if it really works. But it smells good. And then I also got another one, which is the wax stick, which I use to kind of slick this down a little bit. And I bought other products too as well. Those were in my maintenance vlog video, my transformation, so I'll link it down below. This is definitely coming after that video. And then I got this water bottle, which I'm going to be using to take off this hair, and then I might leave it in for a couple of hours and then take it off. Like, I would take off the glue and everything, but I'll keep the wig on. I did my makeup for this hair. I did my earrings. My earrings is here, my nails and stuff. So this wig is bomb.com. Okay, back to what I was saying. I had to take my earrings off because they were getting so distracting. Y'all couldn't have seen that it was getting distracting, but I was getting annoyed. So I think that's all I have to say about this wig. Overall, this wig is beautiful. I suggest you get it. If you're a beginner and you want to challenge yourself, get this wig. You will not regret it, y'all. And that's all I got to say. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on for more videos with me. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for sticking around with me and enjoying all these videos and watching the videos throughout. Okay, I can see when y'all don't watch these videos throughout. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.